Possessive adjectives. Claiming ownership in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a very important part of English grammar: possessive adjectives. These little words play a big role in how we talk about ownership and relationships in English. Possessive adjectives are words that indicate who or what owns something. They describe a relationship of possession between two things. In English, the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, this is my book. I like your idea. We went to their house. In each sentence, the possessive adjective tells us who the subject of the sentence is in relation to the object. Possessive adjectives play a vital role in sentences. They can 1. Indicate ownership. As we've already discussed, they tell us who owns something. 2. Describe relationships. They can also describe relationships between people or things. For instance, when we say, her brother is nice, the possessive adjective, her, doesn't indicate ownership, but rather a relationship. In English, possessive adjectives are always placed before the noun they are modifying. They cannot stand alone, they must be used with a noun. For example, his car is fast. I like their dog. Where is my phone? Unlike in some languages, English possessive adjectives do not agree in gender or number with the noun they are modifying. Instead, they agree with the possessor. For example, he lost his keys. She lost her keys. In both examples, the possessive adjectives agree with the person who lost the keys, not with the keys themselves. Well, that wraps up our session on possessive adjectives. Remember, these adjectives are used to show ownership or relationships and always come before the noun they are modifying. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll master the use of possessive adjectives in no time. Until next time, happy learning!